join us today for a recipe that is as easy as a day at the beach. So let's get started and make this recipe, and after that I'm going to a double birthday. Two of my friends have, we're giving them a birthday party together, and hopefully I won't have to deal with Gruhilda too much today. For this recipe, you'll need some simple ingredients that you probably already have in your pantry. Next, you want to cook your mushrooms, and you want to get them really nice and golden brown, just like you after a day at the beach. And then just set those mushrooms aside, because next you're going to be browning your ground beef. And who knows, maybe even Gruhilda might like this. And maybe she'll even stop meddling in other people's business and start enjoying life a little bit more. This recipe is so delicious. These are our mushrooms right here on the side, and we're just going to cook this ground beef until it's nice and browned like this. And then we're going to add our beef broth, our brown gravy, and this can of cream of mushroom soup. And we're going to add some sour cream and cream cheese and our beautiful mushrooms. Then you're just going to let it simmer for a little while, just like you do when Gruhilda finally stops gossiping. And you just keep stirring it till it's all melted and nice and creamy. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do. And the birthday party turned out so fun and wonderful, and everybody enjoyed themselves. Gruhilda was on her good behavior. There was a little bit too much energy put into who was going to sit by who, but I really didn't notice it or hear about that till later. So and everything went pretty smooth, and we had a good day, and I hope you guys are all having a good day. And I just wanted to show you these cupcakes my friend Joyce made. Even the butterflies were edible. Aren't they gorgeous? And here's our good friend Eva. It was her 80th birthday, and she doesn't look that age at all. And her family was able to join us. It was also our beautiful Lisa's birthday, and everybody had a good time. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until the next time, we'll see you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.